Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you where to download games on your Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. This is very easy to do. So if we're just on the home screen here, we want to go to the App Store right here and select this. Now under the App Store, there is a specific game section. So if we go on over to where it says categories, we can go to here and then go to games and select this. And here are all the games that we can go ahead and download and get onto our Fire HD 10 tablet. So here's Roblox. I'm going to go ahead and update that later on. So look through the games on here and see what you want to go ahead and download. So once you go ahead and get the games on your tablet, you want to go to the home screen and go to the library, and your games will show up under this section right here, games. Go to show more. Then you can go to open games right here also. And you can see the App Store for the games section. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.